Hi everyone, this is video 1 of step-by-step do-it-yourself house building, and today is March 11th. My name is Cara, and I'm going to follow some do-it-yourselfers through the process of building their home. They went through a local hardware lumber company, and this was the house kit they picked out. However, they did make several modifications, and the lumber hardware company worked with them through that process.
All right, welcome. We're gonna start building the house here pretty soon, and we just wanted to show everybody our lot and kind of what we're up to. So our first thing that we did is we bought one lot, and it was really big, so we subdivided it so we can build a house behind our other house.
The lot was just over an acre.
And yep. So yesterday we put a mailbox in, and we marked out right here on the ground so the utility company knows where we're building our house, and they can make sure there's no utilities that come through the property. As soon as they say you're good to go, there's no utilities, and the city approves our plans, and then we'll be standing in a big hole in about 3 weeks.
That is right where the house is going.